Hello everyone, my name is Andy, I'm a Coe College senior, and I'm going to give you a personal tour around Coe's residence halls. Coe is a residential campus, meaning that mostly every student lives on campus every year, so let's check out where you could be living. First up is Armstrong and Douglas halls, also known simply as AD. AD houses around 300 first-year students and is where you're likely to meet many of your first friends as a Coe student. Past its outdoor patio, you can enter the shared AD lobby with your Coe ID, the same way you enter any res hall on campus. Though it's quiet during the summer, come fall this place will be filled with lively students playing the piano, watching TV, playing foosball, and more. I lived in Armstrong my first year, and I have many great memories of staying up late, playing games, and making friends in this lobby. The halls themselves mirror each other, both having 5 floors, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry room. Laundry is included with tuition, so there's no need to worry about pesky coins. Oh hey, that's me! Moving out the south entrance of Armstrong and past the swing set in the grass, we make it to Murray Hall. Murray is a landmark building of the college thanks to its 9 floors that tower over campus and Cedar Rapids. Thankfully, Murray has 2 elevators, so scaling the building is a breeze. My sophomore year at Coe, I lived on one of the top floors of Murray, and my favorite part about the building has always been the amazing view of campus below. Murray's lobby is found down in the building's basement, once again equipped with a full kitchen, cozy hangout spots, and a nice looking pool table. Out just past the basketball court and the library is Green Hall, Coe's all-male residence hall. The center of the building is home to the lobby with pool and ping pong tables, while the rest of the building is split into 4 floors with 2 wings each. 4 of these wings are dedicated to some of Coe's fraternities. If you join Greek Life, you'll have the opportunity to live on these floors and have access to their exclusive chapter room. A brief stroll past the library and the big quad leads straight to Vorhees Hall, Coe's all-female residence hall. Similar to Green, Vorhees has 3 floors divided into 2 wings, with 4 wings dedicated to Coe's sororities. My favorite part of this building has always been its centrally located grand lobby. Not only is it an excellent spot to get together and hang out with friends, but it's also home to one of the largest art galleries on campus. The expansive room is filled with paintings, drawings, and antiques. I feel like I always discover a new piece of art that I've never noticed before whenever I'm in here. Oh, hello! Other than Coe's main residence halls, there's a variety of other housing, including a renovated firehouse, multiple club and sports-specific houses, and a variety of apartments for upperclassmen. What's great is that no matter where you live on campus, you're always just a few minutes walk away from any other residence hall or academic building. Its small size makes Coe a close-knit community, so come to campus and find your new home.